Shelly here with Align My Practice. Welcome to another Wisdom Wednesday. I hope you're all having a super day. Today's message is going to be about the importance of remembering that your patients have choices. So it is imperative for you to create a red carpet new patient experience from start to finish. I teach a really fun new patient experience all team course, and I'm there at your office and we really walk through the entire patient journey through the eyes of the patient in your practice. And a lot of people think that that new patient experience begins when they walk through your front doors, but it actually begins before that. It's when they learn about you, what's being said about you on social media. When they visit your website, what does that look like? Is there a call to action button on scheduling an appointment for that new patient consultation? The experience when they call your office to make that appointment, or their experience when they're booking that appointment through your website or some other digital platform. And then, yes, it's super important to have your entire team on board with creating a red carpet, Ritz-Carlton, Nordstrom, 5-star, whatever you want to call it. It needs to be a wow experience for your patient where you are checking all of their boxes and making them feel special, making the experience feel unique to them. And there are so many different ways that that can be accomplished, but it's important to remember that your patients have options, they have choices. So, what are you doing differently in your office to make them feel special? So, where your treatment really sells itself because they already feel like they're a part of your family. About 15 years ago, I was introduced to Dr. Robert Cialdini's principles of influence. And at the time, there were six, now there's seven. Um, but I was so moved by learning about these principles and how to apply them in all the different roles that I have held within this industry. And so I've taken those principles and kind of put my own spin on them when teaching my clients and my teams about creating a wow experience during that new patient consultation process. And I'm crazy passionate about it. I could talk about it for the entire day. So in the essence of time, I'm going to trim it down and I'm just going to give you 3 tips on applying these principles in that new patient experience. Number one, if you are a treatment coordinator, you need to give a welcome call the night before the new patient consultation. This isn't a confirmation call. That still needs to happen from your scheduling team. This is a welcome call. It's an opportunity for you as the TC to really start building your relationship with that patient. Introduce yourself and let them know how excited you are to meet them in person and greet them and their child at their appointment for the next day. Number 2 is a welcome tour. It's important that when your patient walks through the doors, just like you would if you were hosting a dinner party, take them on a quick little tour of your office. It shouldn't take longer than 3 minutes. It's welcoming them. This is our reception area. This is our gaming station. We bake fresh cookies every day. This is our brushing station. Follow me. Take them through the clinic. Show them your lab. Again, just like you would if you were having friends or friends of friends come to your home for dinner, you're going to greet them. You're going to invite them in. Let me take your purse. Let me fix you a drink. Let me show you where everybody's at. This is where the restroom is. This is where the kitchen is. And then number 3 is my principle of reciprocity. This is one of my favorite Cialdini principles. Give them a gift. It can be tiny. This isn't a gift that should be given after you present treatment, after they say yes and you've converted them. This is just a gift. I'm so happy you're here. Here's a gift from Dr. Smith. Thanks so much for spending the afternoon with us. Okay, let's take you on your tour. This little gift can be a cup. It could be a little Bluetooth speaker. It can be a coffee mug. Something tiny. Again, it doesn't have to break the bank. It's the gesture of reciprocity. I've got lots more tricks up my sleeve. So if you and your team feel like you would benefit and can level up your patient's new patient experience in your office. I'd love to work with you. Feel free to reach out. I think that's it. This is our last Wisdom Wednesday for March. So I guess I'll see you in April. Have a great day.